USO Colorado Springs Director. We are having so much fun. I tell you, thank you so much for allowing us to entertain you and showcase what we have here on a regular basis. And part of putting that plan all together is my program manager, Center and Operations Manager. This is Linda Lorenzana. Hi, Linda.
Hi.
How are you?
I am great. Thank
Now,
you.
you have a perspective because you work in Germany and now you're here at USO Colorado Springs. What do you see as one of your favorite things that we offer here in the center?
The diversity. I worked overseas for 15 years, and I've been here now for 3. And I just love the diversity of the different things that we've done in Europe as opposed to what we do here. And it's just a lot of fun to work with these children.
Outstanding. Just one of the many examples you get a chance to see my operations manager handle all the programs, all the entertainment, all the events on a daily basis. Phil Martinez and Linda here, USO Colorado Springs.